It's a Friday, and Friday means we're looking forward to the weekend, and the weekend means football. The PSL is hot, 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 hot. I wonder if other teams understand the meaning of playing in a Soweto derby. Soweto derby is the biggest, if not the, lifestyle occasion in South Africa. Everyone has to attend or watch either radio, television, or live at the FNB Stadium. This weekend, amabhakani ezimnyama ngenkani ezakhe umhlaka masibaza ubhekisa phezulu Orlando Pirates will be taking on Amakhosi, the Perfect Glamour Boys, abafana bokuthula noxolo. The two teams will lock horns in the Betway Premiership in what could be one of the league deciders for the season 25-26. It won't be easy for those who are playing. It won't be easy for those who support either at the stadium or at home or wherever you're watching from. It's a game that is watched by billions, not just millions, but billions all over the globe. It's a game that is loved by many people in South Africa, on the continent, and also in the diaspora. My name is Baba Mtetwa. I am the good doctor. Welcome. This is Omni Audio and also live on TikTok. My guests today are people who love football. They love their teams. They talk about their teams. And the banter from them is unbelievable. But we also put in a lot of thinking into what we're talking about. It's not just about the banter. It's also about the approach. What happened, what should happen, and what should not happen. There are people that I call analytical analysts. There are also people I call football analysts. You'll choose. What are we today? I always say to you, I'm not an analyst. I'm a storyteller. And when I tell stories, I do not care whether you love my stories or you don't. That is your problem. That is why I've always maintained that my story is very clear. I know, I can feel it, and I believe it, who's going to win the league. We're not going to talk about that for now. We'll talk about that at the end. But just before we get into the things of the day, let me remind you, Sundowns dropped points yesterday against Stellenbosch, and they survived by a whisker. By a whisker, not to lose yesterday. But I checked with Jerome Damon. I believe that goal that was denied by Mabasa as a second goal for Stellenbosch was an offside. Just though. The rule is very clear. You must not get advantage of scoring a goal from an offside position. That should not happen. But for Sundowns yesterday, they had a shell shock because they didn't expect to see what happened yesterday. Just to put it into perspective, Pirates are now still top of the log, 1 point ahead of Sundowns, with 9 points goal difference. And Sundowns still has a game in hand, and they're playing on Sunday at 6 o'clock against Richards Bay. The ever difficult Richards Bay. While Pirates will be playing against Amakhosi Amahle at the FNB Stadium in the much-awaited, long-awaited, much-anticipated Soweto derby. Is going to be hot, but Baba Mbona, so, how about come 5 o'clock. As I say that, let me welcome my guests, starting on my right, because there's a lady next to me. Rato, welcome. One of our Sibuhudi here at Omni from the Val. How are you, Rato?
I'm good.
How are you, Rato?
I'm good, Baba.
Hey. Kisha. Good luck, Lithuania. Come and tell me that. Yes, I'm happiness. Okay. Melusi?
Good man.
Good Melusi. Thank you, Baba. Melusi is from Soweto. He is a staunch Kaizer Chiefs man. He's also a historian at Kaizer Chiefs. He knows Kaizer Chiefs from A to Z. So we're going to tap into that history today and ask him a few questions. That's from Kaizer Chiefs. One of our guests who was supposed to be as a Kaizer Chiefs fan did not pitch up because he has a bereavement back home. So I hope he travels well back to home to Limpopo, and condolences to him and his family. Anyway, and on my right, the evergreen, ex-Benedict, all the way from Tsakani in Ekurhuleni, my good brother, Ungwenya lo.
Yeah, Morojwa ball.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Ngemnandi, I'm over the moon. I'm on top of the log. So
Yeah, Konje, by the way.
Yeah,
yes,
I'm over the moon. I'm on top of the world.
Okay.
I'm on top of the log as well. So
Welcome.
Yonke right.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's an honor.
Machinator, you were at the Sundowns game yesterday.
Yes, I was there.
Why?
I was there.
Why? No, I'm appeal. Why did you go there? Ubuyofunani lapho?
Ngiyominya.
Uminyela ini?
Ngiminyela ukuthi siphumelele. Impumelelo iyasebenzelwa.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's leave it at that for now. Fagi Koma. You're from Pretoria, eh? But you support Pirates?
Yes.
Ah, nice. And big brother, Jabu Mbongwa from Ekurhuleni. Born in the Val, but now stays in Ekurhuleni in Boksburg. Rajabu, welcome. This is, I call him the sober mind of football. Yeah, I call him the sober mind of football because whenever he speaks, we all listen. We all listen, and that's good. Rajabu, welcome.
That's quick. How are you? Siyalibulala leli kaTasfam sithi that's quick. A thing of a beauty, that's quick. No, it's nice to be here, Tasfam. Really well. Thanks for an invite.
Thank you. Thank you,
Manis.
everyone.
Yeah.
No, thank you very much. That's where we start, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. It's Omni Audio, WhatsApp and TikTok. On my TikTok, we are live as well, and also on Benedict X. TikTok is live as well. Who else is live? He's the only one. Yeah. We are on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and also TikTok. That's where we are. We're live. It's a big show today. It's a derby special with me, Baba Mtetwa. The show is called Famo Tubolo Extended. Right. All right. Let me start this side. They say you are the money makers. You're going to decide who takes the money on the 23rd of May. Why are they calling you the money makers? What's so special about Kaizer Chiefs?
When you talk about the Glamour Boys, abafana basephefeni, angazi noma ngithi ngibabiza ngithi ekashintsha guluva ezigababu iward, babu China ngema, abo babu Prokhumalo, babu Screamer Shabalala. Yeah.
Bavusa bonke
Sunday. Yeah.
Oh.
Abo babu Gilbert Sikhabi.
Bathi abafuna uvuka.
Angeke bale bayawazi umsebenzi bayazi into esibhekene nayo.
Kwenzakaleni 3-0.
Kulo ya 3-0 leyana besathi nje ukudonsa umoya ama translator bewasasusa intuli phela bewaqala kuba ama hate kuyidaba.
Abona ama translator.
The ama assistant coach.
Ama coach kahle.
Hayi angithi
ngiyabuza.
Baba baphile yabo sesibateketisa
ngama translate.
Yeah, but singasho sithi uKhalil noKhaze yazi ngibabizana uJuluka uJohnny Clegg no Sipho Mchunu. Yes, iJuluka bakushaya njengamaphoyisa
apartheid ngayikhohlwa le ndaba mhlanyenza igame eChiefs futhi
bakushaya iJuluka mamela benzani bakushaya like apartheid policy bakushaya njengamaphoyisa apartheid bakuhleke njengoMandela babe cool njengoRamaphosa mabethanda. Yeah.
Strong le ndaba le. Lerato, what's so special about Kaizer Chiefs?
We are the biggest team in the country.
Yeah, but okay, fine. The league now. What does that have to do with the league now? You being the biggest team in the country.
We are the biggest team in the country.
Yeah, we know
and
that.
You guys are depending on us.
For what?
For the league.
Whether
you like it or not. For the league.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, how does Pirates... No, Mabe, how does Pirates depend on you? How? Explain that to us. Maybe you're not
if re tla lefa 3 point eo le ka gona wina league if re sa batle o tlo etsalang if re sa batle a rata re ka lefa a rata re ka eng so wabo ke le depend le rona
so ngamanye amagama you tell me ukuthi nina wena
yes
nesikwekwekwe
yebo
you can dictate to Pirates whether to beat you or not.
Yes.
I'm coming back to you.
No. I think I need to sort this out.
This is serious.
I need to sort this
serious
out.
Serious allegation, this one. Let's sort it out. Yeah.
Because we live in a country of coalition governments.
Yeah.
Like we've seen when two parties get 40% each and there's no outright winner that gets 51% to govern a certain province or a country. Then a party with 20% comes and becomes a kingmaker. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that in football. It's not like Kaizer Chiefs are in control of the situation. Whether they like it or not, each Chiefs izodliwa iPirates ngenkani. So it's not like it's not in their hands.
Plus vele
it's not in their hands.
Vele nina
This is not politics.
ezimnyama
Yes.
ngenkani.
Ngenkani.
Oh yeah. Yes akithi.
Kumele nginiqondise ayikho lento yokuthi hayi masingafuni no 3 points ke bazokwenza njani.
Yeah.
There's no such whether they like it or not sizowathatha 3 points ngenkani.
Ngoba
So,
nina ezimnyama ngenkani.
You are not in control, guys. You are not in control. You are not. We have to get that straight. Like we need to make that clear. Sizosithatha ngenkani isikhiye. Yabona. Kumele sinitshele iqiniso lazi. Sizosithatha ngenkani isikhiye.
All right. Imagine okay, but how did you feel yesterday being at Loftus?
I was overjoyed.
Why were you overjoyed?
Because the possibilities are opening up.
What are the
The
possibilities?
possibilities are that we're going to lift that title.
Shy, stop dreaming.
Come hell, come high water.
He said I'm dreaming.
But remember, you need to confuse the name. Sometimes when they say you are dreaming, you must dream.
I think dreaming is
Sometimes
good.
you must always be controversial
Dreaming is good.
so that they can get confused. You see, you must not show them where we're going.
I
Because these people, they plan for us.
Yeah, I had something yesterday after the draw. They showed me a picture of Nda and Mabas.
Mabas.
And they said, that's how brilliant Orlando Pirates technical team is.
Yeah.
They sent Nda and Mabasa
We
to
deployed.
go and do the job
Yes.
on a deployment.
Yes.
Do you,
And
have,
then-
hold on, do you have anything to say about that, Nina? Nina? Do you have anything to say about that?
And that was not the only. That was not the only. And that was not the only deployment, by the way.
Yeah.
We also deployed Usaling.
Oh, lapha.
Inversely so.
Endaweni.
They were not even there, Bamfag. And he made sure that he does absolutely nothing. He made sure he does absolutely nothing.
Oh, kanti.
For now. For now.
We've got soldiers everywhere.
Yeah.
We've got soldiers everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're fighting this thing. And we're fighting it from the inside, from
And
the outside.
Jabu?
Yes.
Yeah. The cool mind of football.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
quick.
Yesterday, things changed.
Yes.
Is it good or bad for Pirates? And for Chiefs coming on the 6th of May,
Yeah.
is it good or bad?
Taspam, I think we knew that Sundowns will drop points.
I said it.
I think it's only those that were naive to say no. Sundowns is it's a team that is not going to lose the games.
Kalama dictionary lab. Dictionary. Google naive. Naive.
Yeah, no,
Naive.
of course.
Yeah, is that about dictionary? Is that about dictionary? Mnyama ngapha. Abazi bakuthiwa naive kuthiwani ngapha.
Taspam,
Yeah.
look, Taspam, we told them that Sundowns is going to drop points. And they said, no, that is not going to happen. By the way, their issues won't stop yesterday only. They are still going to Mhlathuze. They are going to face Richards Bay. Trust me, the environment there is terrible. Aibu is Sundowns lapha. Yeah, totally draw or yadliwa. So going back to your words, I will say.
How sure are you?
No, I'm certain.
So are you putting your head on the...
I'm certain that Sundowns is not going to get the maximum points there. I'm certain.
Okay.
It's not going to happen.
Yeah,
And
continue.
then the issue of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
I'll go back to what Benedict has said. Look, akekho zoncengwa despite
Asincengani vele.
Siyepalini manje.
Yeah, asincengani.
So on the over the weekend on Sunday, we're getting the maximum point from Kaizer Chiefs. We know very well ukuthi they are not intending to beat Sundowns because all of a sudden, so kwabangani be Sundowns, they are even calling themselves Kaizer Sundowns. So these are not the people that we can trust ukuthi bangasenzela umsebenzi.
Yeah.
So what is going to happen, Taspam Tina, we're just going to do our own work. We're going to beat them.
You know the song that I always sing
Yes.
when I'm live on here on Omni,
Yeah.
on my podcast, I always say, so fast Kichi.
Aish.
Asnandaba.
Ay.
So fast Kichi.
Ay. Asnandaba. So fast kitchen.
E tla binwa Champions. We must fail. E tla binwa.
Can I say something about this? Before we move on, can I say something about this issue of deployments? I think there are similarities since Melusi is here and he's a historian and he loves history. I'd like to draw some similarities between how Pirates won the league in 2010-2011 and this current Pirates side. Pirates deployed Gert Schalkwyk to Maritzburg United. And who did Maritzburg United play on the last day of the season? Ajax Cape Town, who were vying for the title.
And Pirates won it on goal difference.
Yes, exactly. Who scored for Maritzburg United against Ajax? It was Gert Schalkwyk. Yeah. And Pirates, we also deployed Teko Modise that season. The season he left, we won the league. We deployed Teko Modise to Sundowns. So there are so many similarities in terms. And also, Chiefs beat Ajax Cape Town 4-0. Chiefs are about to play Sundowns. Watch the space. Yeah.
Watch the space, uthini?
Grootman.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi.
Yaphakama ne-voice.
Angina GNU mina.
Unani?
Ngishaya kwasani ngiqala ngawe ngenza lento engiyenze ku Nedbank. Ngiyenza lento engiyenze ku Nedbank.
Mara
ngishaya mamela braja.
Awuna GNU njani bose Loftus izolo.
Lalela.
You had Loftus yesterday.
Lalela.
I am thatheleni mic. Bekase Loftus izolo.
Asinathi
uthakana GNU.
When it comes kule no. Usekhulumile umaginator angithi uthi kuya confuse one. Nathi siyalahlisa angithi na ku Nedbank sayenza lento bangasibhekanga safika sashaya wonke umuntu odlala iCAF sathathi
Nedbank.
Namanje bheka Prajabu Sunday into engiyoyenza iso ibuyile intshebe emapalini.
Mango.
Angizi ukudla angithi wena usebenza ku Brendan Peterson.
Manje ovimba ngentshebe.
Oh intshebe yiyo
ethathikhaya.
Nojabu unentshebe.
Lalela ke Prajabu.
Lalela bheka ngale kunentshebe ngale.
Lalela bra le izobe isemastands thina sisebenza ngebackground. Lalela eswini ngiphethe inja eBlackball bathi uNdlovu uGatsheni uboya benyathi ngithi lebuhang mabu 626 koze kusemntanapha ngithi Hlodile Lebo bathi shaya Father Christmas from the DRC. Have you ever seen Santa Claus from the DRC? Kaizer Chiefs eqala ushamanya amagoli angakazi abona.
Uba no Santa Claus manje.
Hlodile Lebo.
Lalela Melusi. uSanta Claus ubuya le kuma ice le koScandinavia kude kuma ice pool le kude
lo buye DRC
yabona ke uthi fake
hayi uyawashaya Grootman washaya ngaphandle bese ngiza neGuinea Bissau silver yeah isiliver Guinea Bissau yeah Grootman ku left back ngiphethe ibhunu bathi bavale Venterstop bathi Venterstop bavale umlungu Bradley Cross yeah lapha ku center lapha
pendulana
bathi vikela mbuso
upendulana
vikela soja kungadluli lutho akudlule inashiyo mikwele bese angithi imlimelo Aiden McCarthy bese ngithi ngwana manezi ithakwiniki ngicedile
alright ukwinika
yeah alright
okay
bese second half bangishintsha ngikufakela imvana kaChris Chisle
ima mvana ima uthi uvimba kubani uMiguel
isosha yeah ngifaka isosha
oh Jesus
Miguel
ngifaka isosha no Prajabu
already hamba phambili
this is Prajabu
before game
you got the red card that is waiting for you
babumthetho lalela uMiguel what I like about him ne uMiguel is not that defender that you can say pass and play
so
but
aggressive that guy
I defender
that's why ngithi nine red card elindile
hayi akawatholi seloka iyenza lento
uzobona ke
value police
we closing down we attacked marking
awuthi ngibakhumbuze a few months ago Mfukinga police court akere ayibuhle utaraba and who was not there Miguel was there was he there okay Quinika was there okay Cross was there
bonke
manje what's changed now
it's only the goalkeeper
what's changed now
yabona Grootman
Sikhuluma ngale sikhuluma ngale ungajumpi sikhuluma
leadership benye uBruce you can uBruce Vuma besinganayo intshebe iyakwazi ukuconduct amazi conductor wekhwaya cula ibest cula ithena shaya ialto that's Brendan Peterson for you
Pirates unisha
angeke Pirates Grootman I'm getting my 76 win ye derby I have 75 wins already.
Siyakwazi lo. Private na
Yes,
50.
when una 50,
Yeah,
you
we
still need 25 more derbies to conquer me.
Mara leyo ayisho ngezingendaba Saturday.
Mara ngizokushaya angithi manje sengiyakutshela Grootman ukuthi mina ngisawini sengiya-eda wena usawina because
Mara
you're challenging.
wena bheka phela thina silwela i-title lo lalela position.
No mina Grootman we knew our fate. Thina
Imakhala.
besiyazi fate
No,
yethu.
him.
Nina yes nilwela i-title lasali.
Yeah.
Thina we knew our fate. Thina we
So-
are the key makers.
so
Uyabona
so-
wena ukuyabona umuntu aphethe isikhiye ulale ngaphandle. Yile nto ozoyibona Sunday ngiyokulalisa ngaphandle ngiphethe isikhiye.
Never.
Niyolala
Ngeke
hayi
kwenzeke.
thina sishaya ikoze erugby ikoze asehlathini
Ngeke kwenzeke.
asiyenzi thina 1 or 2 ngikushaya 2-1 Grootman inhliziyo ebhlungu njengaku-Nedbank Cup ngikushaya kwehla ipetrol petrol went
Siphile.
down nesimba
Why ningamtsheli
no
leya
hayi
cup?
Prajabu
After 10 years sakunikeza sathatha.
nakhala abanye benu
No,
bakhala
Tina, we didn't cry. We knew we gave you a cup.
nakhala Prajabu
Sikhalelani.
Sunday it's 1-0
Hakuna
or
makhapu
2-1
esinawo amaningi
FNB
njenge-Nedbank.
will be golden plague Soweto will be golden plague will be glamorous Soweto will be glamorous
That glamorous kuzaba i-fake.
Soweto will be glamorous.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, they'll be glamorous, they'll be singing, they'll be having soldiers. What else do you have? They'll have a black mamba,
Santa Claus.
they'll have a Santa Claus.
Fake Santa Claus obuya eCongo.
Hey, angithi yonke into inesiqalo.
Santa Claus
Everything is got
yaseCongo uqala
imagine. Everything is got something new.
Let's hear what.
Yeah, isiqalo
I've counted what Chiefs saying they're going to have on Sunday. They'll have Santa Claus, Black Mamba. And Jesus Christ. Aye, never. They'll also have Black Mamba, Kid Santa Claus, 6 to 6 ilanga. Langa short. Shift 6 to 6, 12 hours. Yeah, kuzoba ne festival futhi nani futhi. All right. Baqula futhi banamasotsha futhi.
Yes.
Thank you. Asizwe ngapha. Nina ke ninani? Wathi naba babhizi ngapha ninani nina?
Thina siphethe yonke material. Ukhumbula ukuthi labantu laba mabaya kuleya game.
Yeah, you speaking like a champion obangimsini.
Yeah, no, my champion
Cool and
are
collected.
Yeah.
Speaking like a champion. Yeah.
I don't have to prove anything. Firstly, asiqale ngama-flaws wabo. Ama-flaws wabo is that they've got 2 plumbers there. Bazowaphethe ama-syringe nani bazama ukuthi bawine le match le.
Abobani labo ama-plumber?
Ma-plumber ayi-2. Omunye bathi Katse or Khas. And then omunye bathi Khalil or something. Phelela ngo-Yusuf. Yeah. Labantu labo mfethu into yokuqala bebaze ngomsebenzi la nina naba-converta ngithi anifuna ukubhadala.
Uyavuma? Thulake.
Thina asiyi kuleya pitch ne-coach to start off with. I-coach lezi zinto ezenziwa abo Khadozo baya-coacha lapha. Thina we going with a manager.
Not the
There's a
electrician.
significant difference between a coach and a manager.
And
You understand?
ilona akusiye electrician. Hayi, ulong weekend security.
So you need to conceptualize how this game is going to be. Ne? First of all, we're gonna have the best 11. And our wingers are strong, and you know that. That's why Batubanu Crossway lo samdlisa Uchani last time, and it's still going to happen again. Uchani.
Hayi kalaka this
And
time.
yeah, nalo bekakhatha Uchani lapha naturela ngithi vele into ayaziyo kule season. Ayikho enye into azoyenza.
Uphi lo uyalazi.
Into azoyenza.
Mr no assist. Uyalazi ngiyalazi. Uphi kanti?
And my man.
Kanti uphi? Owethu uGundutshana kuyabonakala. Uphi uyalazi.
Bekadlala last weekend uyohlela last.
The whole season no assist. Season yonke no assist. The whole season no assist.
I think the pain is landing.
Machinate.
No, the pain is landing.
Yeah.
The pain is landing.
Itakhuluma.
Yeah.
Ngiyezi pain hlala kuphi?
Yeah.
Kedelela.
Aniyapainela.
Khuluma machinator. Yeah.
And thina laphana asikwenza into eziningi.
Yeah.
Siyopressa nje urepeat. yazi ingoma mawufuna ukuyidlala uvela ufela but ukhona repeat the same thing that happened
Adlal Makassel. Aye.
Mamen Tina
Repeat, Brad.
Tina siyofika sika repeat
Yeah.
lento enzekile
Aphinde
manje
Yeah.
singbuze mawangapresse urepeat uzawukwenza njani
Hayi umshini wami ngiyawazi usebenza kanjani.
and
phela unokufika endlini ungasazi
Hayi never.
Yopasu, bayopasu ngombuthi
but guys, we do have a suggestion for you.
Lalela ke here's a suggestion
But
for
we
you.
do have a suggestion for you.
Which is?
Considering the fact that we know you're not going to score. So, my suggestion is that you play this formation and this might work for you. I know it possibly it will reduce the number of goals you're going to concede.
no we are
First
not
of all,
going there to defend Martinez.
Him.
I'm telling you what you need to do in order for you to progress. Not to win, but just to merely survive.
We will win.
Firstly, you need to play this formation 10-1. You need
Defend
one man in the center
10
and
and
10
have
at
one
the back.
striker.
You understand? You need to put 10-1.
Well,
Formation. The formation lays on 7.
Batshele
The
bayofunde-
barber shop is loading.
Batshele bayofunde
The barber shop.
Yeah.
The barber shop is loading. The barber shop.
And if the rules of the PSL and FIFA can be amended, we would allow you guys to have 2 goalkeepers. Because Lente Zoyenza is beyond.
Machinator, I feel sorry for you because Sunday you will be at the barber shop cutting your hair again.
I will not cut them. Okay, here's a pledge that I can tell you that will never happen. Here's the pledge. If Kaizer Chiefs, which is impossible, can beat Pirates, for every goal that Kaizer Chiefs scored, I will eat the hottest chili.
What's your matchinator?
For every game.
I know
For every
you.
goal.
We are standing to the song.
All right.
We like it.
All right. Asenze kanje ke. All right. On camera, he said it. Of which I don't think Chiefs will beat Pirates, so you don't need to worry about your chilies.
No, I don't.
So I'm saying, your chilies is safe.
Safe.
Yeah.
Safe.
Your color is S-Bill. S-Bill. You don't need to worry about anything. You have to. Jabu.
Yes.
Are we the system?
Okay.
That's where you come in.
Okay.
What would be the best system for Pirates to play on Sunday?
I think we stick to the same system that we're using. We're not changing 4-3-3. We're not changing anything. I think the only thing that we need to change over the weekend is I saw an introduction Yagandaba. I'll say coach Magakale Dion Hot this time around.
I believe so too.
Yeah. Other than that, if it's not broken, you don't change.
Why change what is not
So
broken?
so ngicabanga ukuthi sihlala phezulu logo si-introduce uHoto because we need that speed. Labantu
And that experience.
Within 15 minutes labantu kumele bebaphelile. So I'll go back to what Imaginator said. It's a repeat. But this is going to be a very nice repeat because this is an extra goal, which is 4. So we are winning there, the spam. I heard ukuthi izolo, in fact, labafana be Chiefs omdu maba practice la page mean. Omunye uzibiza mfuking. Yeah, kinamfuking. Wakatshela abangani
Hey, nayithanda iKaizer Chiefs. Hey, bayithanda. Yazi sengilibonile iqiniso la. Nisifavor ngaphakathi. Nimnyama ngapha.
No,
Nimnyama ngaphandle.
Maba se training.
Gold ngaphakathi.
When they in the training,
Yeah.
they are
No,
calling
you
themselves
guys love us. You guys love Kaizer Chiefs.
So they admire what is
You guys
happening at
love us.
Pirates. And I feel sorry because I was listening to him a few days ago. Ushabalala Mdu said he started at Pirates for whatever reason. Then he decided to go to Chiefs. But I can tell you now, wherever he is now, is dreaming about playing for Orlando Pirates because that's where his style of play would have been utilized in a proper manner. Lama Mickey Mouse natural to an extent where they are even calling themselves saborile when they are practicing. We need to stress that because that's what they are saying.
If you were to be the single team at Pirates and your coach Abdislam Wadu,
Yes.
so you'd go with who this game?
If I were to do what?
If you were to select the team that's gonna start on
Okay,
Sunday.
At the back, I'll still have Sipo Chaine. I'll have CBC. These are my center backs. I'll have CBC. I'll have Siema. I'll have Hoto. And I'll have Namdanjela.
Right back?
My right back is Siema.
Oh,
No.
Oh, you won't change Sibelebele?
No, I won't change Sibelebele. Because if I were to say I will change, players need minutes. I know Van Rooyen is playing very well. Go right back position. But it's also, suicidal to start a player that doesn't have minutes in his belt. Because Melega cash up a pace game, the intensity as well. So I'll stick to Sibelebele. And then in the middle, I'll still have Mbata. And I saw him at training. So I'm quite confident that Mbata will form part of the first 11.
Pirates does not lose when Mbata is playing.
No, it won't.
Rather play a draw.
So Mbata will be available.
Pirates does not lose when Mbata is playing. Finish.
Even a draw, I'm not anticipating any draw, Taspam. It's a straight win for Pirates. Those that are
I'm saying Pirates does not lose when Mbata is there.
Yes.
When we play draws, the least bad result he gets.
The worst scenario can
would
be a draw.
Yeah, but
it won't be
not
a lose.
on Sunday.
No,
Sunday
never.
is no draw.
Yeah. They must know Pirates are winner. When the Pirates straight win, bangathatha amachance.
Even in the worst scenario, we still go.
Yo,
Mawuphupha uyafika eUnited States ulela.
Ngeza kini.
Mbata kushuthi Jesus wami.
Mbata. Ima ngeza kuwe. X.
Yeah, I do agree with Elena.
Starting lineup?
I
Are you okay with it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I agree with
Are you
him.
going to add or subtract anyone?
Yeah, no, ngifuna ukusho ukuthi bebesitshela bona baphethe obana amavikela mbuso amabanibana ama 626 yonke nje lento abayibalayo khona lapha ngale kwa Kaizer Chiefs. Tina siphethe goalkeeper who was about to make history right now. Never in the history of the PSL has a goalkeeper kept more than 18 clean sheets.
Yeah.
It's about to happen right now. Ogunye iPirates whether
Anyway, the record was still held by Pirates player Munib Joseph.
yeah. Then iPirates ayikazithole more than 61 points in history. Lo coach uzoyithola manje nje. Yabo kumele sheshe sisondele manje nje. Yeah, manager. Okay. Manager eseqophelweni eliphezulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso. Kumele njengamanje ikhombisa ukuthi yasondela ku 61 points, City 60 bebona ukuthi si serious. And then okunye ke siphethe defender of the season thina. Qualitative superiority nje sibashaya ngayo. Defender of the season. I-reigning defender of the season ne-defender of the season yakule season le uCM. Okunye ke sizokwenza umlando umdlali ona 22 years old, ona 21 going for 22 uzoba top goal scorer, abe player of the season, player of the season.
Abe football of the year. Ukothiwe leyo.
Yonke into.
Abe youngest asa qualified.
Yo Nkosi yami uzoba iyo yonke into. So nje mayishaya i-hat-trick vele shaya i-hat-trick ngale weekend aqhwakela ahlale phezulu.
Okora makudlala amateam amancane.
Sundowns.
Give me your team.
Okay. Asenze ngikuphendula quickly 1 minute.
So kancane Melusi.
Lento le I need to debunk that myth and that lokhuzana narrative yokuthurele ukora makudlala amateam amancane. Against Sundowns he scored a goal in the final eMobile Stadium. Against Sundowns he scored waxoshisa uZungu noRolani Mkwena. Against Sundowns he scored a brace. This season he provided yes. He scored a season. Yes.
Last season, hayi manje.
Okay, let Derby. Ngibalela ama game. The Derby esidlala neKaizer Chiefs provided an assist for igol kaApolis. That's a goal
koranga. Umuntu abakoranga. The fact is konje nina nama pre ungawari banama pre assist but ama pre assist banama pre assist.
It was a pass air straight. He passed air
Abo
straight.
pre assist bazochaza bayachaza they
He
explain.
passed air straight to Apolis.
Abo pre assist. Pre what? Pre champions, pre whatever, pre nina ni west nina ma pre. Lalela siswami ngizwile bakhuluma ngomdusha ukushabalala
asiqale ngescheme.
uyazi ukuthi umdu okay
Asiqale ngescheme kuqala.
yeah
Wakhuluma esabi ischeme, ngifuna ukuzwa sabi ischeme.
mina
and so striker ngombuthuma ne
Ngasizana.
oy clean sheet lo goalkeeper ngizobe nginama defender extra kusho ukuthi ngoma ufaka umbuthu yeah
For real umbuthu.
hayi lo limshaya eqolo lele limshaya eqolo hayi lele ngene ngeqolo hayi kahleni bo
Mina ngicela team sheet.
team yami
Yeah.
Brendan Peterson
Yeah.
uyintshebe
Emela uzwami.
isulu hey niyaminya
Izinja.
stop minying kathi ni favor bo Steelers Pirates
Osinika team sheet.
yeah
Ngiyacela.
ngithi ka right angithi nina nama agent
Hayi lalela.
ngisusa
Ukhuluma ezinye manje.
mamela
Sifuna ischeme.
scheme all right ngikushaya ngithi right back Thabiso Monyane
Lo wethu.
yeah yena loyo akusasowabo sekayiklama boy
Simdeployile lo.
asinendaba ngokushana i-deployment yakho nempimpi yashiswa
Imaqala ngitshele ke.
yeah
Thabiso Mnyane we play it.
yes beku past tense
Simbola, I wanna listening is a skill. Hearing.
Mara it's
You are
past
born with
tense.
hearing. Yeah.
can only
Mara
be
it's past
lamtutus
tense.
Relax.
Ama floors ka Munyane.
Yes.
Siwazi wonke.
Okay.
One floor ne. Akabuyi.
Okay. Wait.
Mangabuyi lapho ungena lapho police
Okay,
ungena lapho.
tingiqede phela
La
team
ngabuya
sheet
ngakhona
yami.
kungena police lapho.
Lalela phela ngisanga kusurprise.
Uzake.
Mina
Yeah.
mina ngayichange right back yami mnandi
Ufake ba?
ngifaka
Solomon.
uSolomon. Hala. Wamcima umfokeng. Wamcima ngeNetbank kwaba ngathi akekho. Umfokeng.
Nithe singaye emuva.
Okay singayemuva. Yeah.
Nithe nina.
Okay,
Nithe singaye emuva.
ngikufakela uSolomon.
Solomon, okay.
Yes,
fine.
bese ngithi Bradley Cross.
Solomon.
Bese ngithi mamela phela.
Yeah.
Bese ngithi Miguel noQuinica. Angithi uMakhathuli man.
Saphinda ngabigeli wakho.
Ngimthembile ivikela isotsha elikhulu usavimbi. Yeah, esiswini ngidonse ngolebuhanga mabuwe no Spesihle Ndlovu. Black ball injaka mdevu ugatsheni. Ngapha
So uyavuma ukuthi nimbize ngenjaka mthetho.
injaka mdeva the black ball ibhola eligcinwa ngalo esnukini. The black ball.
Yeah.
Short ibhodlela. Sinqamzi kodidi.
Inzoyilibasa ke Pirates lena.
Sithukanga. Phela sithukanga.
Pirates. Hayi
Zithile
sishoyo nje.
zithile bumabuwe.
All right.
626. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's hotting up. There's black balls, there's mountains, there's soldiers, there's singers. Kuningi, there's Bunchebe. So after the break, we continue with our discussion. Everyone has got their opinion, and opinions are something that we live with in football. You can never ever be sure if your opinion is right or maybe is incorrect because it's just an opinion. And all football fans are opinionated. Opinions is something that we live with in our lives every day and also in football. Now, today is a special day for us here at Omni because we've got some of the people who love football. We don't need to have coaches to do what we do. We need ordinary people. People who pay their money to get into a stadium and watch football. People who go into social media and talk about football. And for us, that's how we rock here at Omni. We do this thing for the people. We're not an elitist show. No, never. Elitists are not for this show. This is a show for ordinary football fans. People who understand why we go to stadia. People who understand why we love football so much. The game of billions is loved by each and everyone. Example, go to Brazil, a country with over 60 million people. Probably each and every person from birth, they love football. What is wrong with us in South Africa? Why does opinions matter so much? If you have your own opinion about football, put it out there. Let us know your opinion. You see, we have this show today. Mark my words. Before Sunday, we'll be having lots of these shows because we have copycats in South Africa. I know. You're going to do it. I know. You see, we started this thing. I set trends in South Africa all the time. Yeah. I do things on commentary, people follow. I do things, people just follow. So, you might think our show is rubbish. For us, it's not rubbish. It's what we enjoy doing. Now, go do your own rubbish and enjoy it. And enjoy it with your own people. And maybe people are sitting here and say to you, oh, we're rubbish. It's fine. It's our rubbish. We enjoy our rubbish. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Where? 11 hours. Our part.
Peterson,
Yeah.
Solomon,
Yeah.
Cross,
Yeah.
Miguel,
Yeah.
Quinika, Mabuwe. Ngeke ngesotsha lami lithandwa yimi.
Oh, okay, cool.
Ngeke nesotsha lami. Eswini ngithi Lilebo ku left. Ngithi lokhungani, ngithi Mdu ka right. Ngibakhohlwa.
Oh, sorry.
Ngithi Mdu ka right. La esiswini la ngiphethe uMabuwe nenja ye black ball nge right. Le phambili ngigijima ngeSilver noDuba.
Oh,
Yeah.
no
Silver.
Guinea Bissau.
Yeah, Guinea Bissau. Bathi Duba. Gaga.
AK47 fushane kangaka.
Since abuyile, we've never lost a game since abuyile. Yeah, and he's scoring 3 goals in 5
But he's
matches.
scoring for you, it's fine.
No, yes, he's scoring.
Yeah.
He's scoring.
What's wrong with Corelli country?
No, he's scoring. No, he's scoring for us. The same as Urila Korela Nina ngithi. In the last 6 games, yes. Yeah, we are core.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we yeah. And
Let me ask you a question.
yes, Grootman.
If Kaizer Chiefs was to play Paris tomorrow, what would happen?
Tomorrow,
Friday.
Kaizer Chiefs would win.
Why?
Grootman, different strokes for different folks. The derby,
Dictionary.
the derby, you cannot say ngwinile izolo ngizomphinda namhlanje.
When you apinde.
It happens scarce. Yenzeka scarce. Yenzeka scarce.
Kaningi.
Phela before when I wenza le 5 times yimi engakubonisa ukuthi ayenziwe 5 times khumbula.
Yeah, but sengisho ukuthi
Yeah.
ngiyophinda. Don't never say
No,
iyaphinda.
lalela ke Grootman. Yeah, okay. Yeah, 11 yam. Yeah, Grootman. Maya.
All right. Ngicela ukuthi something. How sheba 11 yalona ne? Who can score against Paris?
We have Lilepo.
No. Putswa ke mang?
Silva.
Batla motho o tla korang against Paris. Why?
Silva.
What makes you think he is o kora ko mang?
O loka go sipochini.
A fitile ko mang?
A fitile o bodlela le bodlela le phuka usibisi. No mara liphukela into right, liphukela ukuthi amagoli angene. Ungadideki. Liphukela ukuthi amagoli angene.
Lizokusika ibhodlela.
So ngathi yadideki. Lathube. Silva Salimoli wanyiwa.
Okay. Wanyiwa fine. Ka ka pula jukela ngwana wa ku TikTok. Hey. Wanyiwa. Sunday. Sabe sisho so. Ka 5 o'clock. Baba ntla ba dula ka mo ka. E ba dula ka mo ba. Tla ba re ba buisana. Eh. Wanyiwa.
Silva.
Laba bangani nabo bazobe basho kanje.
Ay.
So
All right.
Silva game.
Sase kuwe. So Kaizer Chiefs he says going to win, ne? And the winner got 2 or 1 or 2-1. Are you agreeing to that?
100%.
Okay. Pirates at the moment number 1. According to you, what makes Pirates so strong, better than Chiefs this season? Or do you think Chiefs is better than Pirates this season?
To tell the truth, Pirates is better than to tell the truth. Yeah. Pirates is better than Kaizer Chiefs.
Washa keke.
But to tell you football, you are talking football now. Okay?
Yeah, yes.
So it's better than, because of their play, the banal structure, philosophy, they have a system. So as that's the thing to learn, we are lacking that thing. So the difference is there.
So if you're lacking those things, how are you going to beat Chiefs?
But it doesn't
How are
mean
you going to beat Pirates?
it doesn't mean when you're lacking those things, I can sharpie Pirates. You understand? It doesn't mean that.
Mamela, her sister. What would make you beat Pirates if you're lacking? Maybe I should put it in a different manner now. So that I got to change. The mode is still there. How are you going to beat Pirates if you can't mess them in terms of what you just said, or Pirates better than Chiefs? If Pirates better than Chiefs, are we agreeing that when they beat you in the first round, it's because Pirates was better on the day?
Yes, I can agree.
So what has changed now that makes you think that? Because even that day, you thought Chiefs will beat Pirates.
I think the players can be.
On the day, did you think Chiefs will beat Pirates?
Which
When
one?
they lost 3-0, the past one.
Nah.
You thought
Based on the
Pirates
play that we're playing, nah.
Okay.
I don't wanna lie, nah.
All right, fine.
We're not
and then after that, yeah,
The mic.
after that, Pirates, Chiefs played Pirates and lost. Do you see any changes now at Chiefs that can make you believe or they can beat Pirates?
I think I see changes because I think the players can be motivated, to say we lost the last game. Gave me a note about motivation. Because shop player time is 2. Shop with the shop, So motivation I to bafan to
Motivation is the only thing that we can bring to Pirates.
Not to say motivation, but they can be motivated. Another thing, that is a different thing.
I'm asking you now. Is it only motivation that can make you beat Pirates? You can't give me any other extra thing that will say this is our trump card to beat Pirates.
I think motivation for now, because how we play, it's very total. It's not. We don't have a good performance. Actually, we don't have a good performance. Yes, but I think the players can be motivated when it comes to this. But based on the performance, I disagree. Because we can't. I can't match Pirates based on their performance. Everything is like this. But now, players, they're gonna be motivated.
So Lerato says Pirates is better than Kaizer Chiefs, and I see a very big contradiction there. You say Pirates better than Kaizer Chiefs, and then you say you beat Pirates. You say how? You say because you'll be motivated. How are you going to beat Kaizer Chiefs? How are you going to beat Kaizer Chiefs, Cham?
Daspam, let's be honest. I think Kaizer Chiefs it's only trying to find its feet now. Yes, they are there, but I don't think in terms of the standard, really, they are par with Orlando Pirates.
Explain that. Let's explore that statement.
I'll break it down. I think there are certain elements of the Chiefs game that still needs to improve. Yes, right now they are playing very well. But a combination here is not a combination that one can say this is a team that can really compete with the Pirates toe to toe. Particularly at the back, they've got a lot of problems at the back. The same Miguel that they are talking about is problematic. There's no game edlulayo ka Miguel angatholanga yellow card. Now in big games like the ones that are coming over the weekend, you really cannot rely ku Miguel.
Just to add, the Chiefs was one of the teams that had the most yellow cards last season.
Yeah, and I'm sure lot was collected by Miguel. They must be very careful. Over the weekend, he might even get because he becomes reckless. If you remember, go finally.
I think that is Socha.
Yeah, Lopsocha bakengeke bumsebenzele bazothola red card and kuzoba buhlungu. Yeah, or if you remember Daspam ku game ye Nedbank in a final. Yeah. Kunala unkotha bekathi uyadlula. Miguel wambamba kabuhlungu. Under normal circumstances,
red card.
That's a red card.
They say law 1280 fouls and misconduct.
Yes.
You cannot impede a player towards or in a goal scoring position.
The other person over too excited makadlala idabi isduba. Uthi uyabalimaza abanye abantwana makudlalwa ilona.
I won't come game.
Almost all the games. Uduba is reckless, and I don't think there's a person that is whispering to him, one day uzoscosa a crucial game. So I'm saying to them, because I know they listen to these things, I'm saying to him, small boy, watch out. Lendo maungayenza over the weekend, your team might lose it critical points, which is 3 points.
They might, let's take it away.
No, they are losing.
Yeah,
but I'm just saying,
anga
yenzi isheshi bonakala ukuthi bazoluza
i3. It's good to
dream. Vele they are losing. So all in all, Daspam, all that I can say, Guti, I don't think it Chiefs is a team that can match Orlando Pirates to an extent where they will get points from Orlando Pirates. I don't see that happening.
All right.
Yeah.
Imaginator, what's your trump card at Pirates? What do you believe in? What's the philosophy there?
Firstly, I want to address something. These guys are not lamtutus. Abopindi. Bapindwa ja.
Abontom guys.
Sazobaphinda bophindile.
Abontom guys.
Bophindile basazophindwa.
Abontom guys. Abontom guys.
So Mamela Pindile.
Baba Shop. Baba Shop.
Pindile, listen.
Baba Shop. Baba Shop.
So, but we've got Undlovu, Mabu. Those people will look less than average when they play against Pirates.
Why are you saying that?
Because the standard and the quality of our players is way beyond the quality and the players of Kaizer Chiefs.
I hear that Pirates conditioning is one of the best in the country.
Yes, and also, furthermore, if you look at the Kaizer Chiefs, let's be realistic here. Kaizer Chiefs is still a squad that's rebuilding, not a squad that is there. You guys were number 9 last season. You couldn't even make it to the top 8.
But we were not big champions.
Number 10, yes. You've already now progressed for you to even be at number 3. And please get rid of this nonsensical hope that you're going to play CAF. That is not possible.
We are going to play CAF. Confederation Cup is part of CAF.
Yeah, you will play CAF with the surname. Yes,
but it's CAF. But it's CAF. Is it not under Confederation of African Football?
Wait.
But it's not under.
Please,
but it's not under Confederation of African Football.
All right, let's give me a chance to finish.
An empty drum makes a lot of noise.
Yeah.
You're sounding like an empty drum right now. I'm saying to you, you're going to play CAF and a Spong. You're going to play CAF light.
But it's CAF.
So, how are we sure the Chiefs will finish that?
The numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie, and their play shows that they're not going to go any further than where they are.
No, I'm not talking. I'm not talking beyond number 3.
Okay,
no.
It's possible.
Okay, here's the thing, ne? If Chiefs says that they're going to end at number 2, where do they expect Sundowns to sit?
No, the point is they can. Baba
I know.
They can go to 4th.
Further down. Further.
Oh,
not
yes,
up.
yes. They can
Down.
go further down, but not up. Because you cannot
Yes,
take
I
Sundowns'
will.
position. You cannot take Sundowns. I don't think Sundowns will end at number 3. I don't agree with that.
Where will they end?
Maybe number 2, yes.
Okay, fine.
You understand?
Number 1 guy went.
Don't lie to
They will
yourself.
be number one,
And this thing of you saying, if Sundowns takes the star, you guys will go to CAF. Brother, that is a myth. That it does not exist. The only thing.
Sinanda ne Pirates.
Thina sihleli phezulu.
For manje. Caretaker champs. Tina we knew our fate. Angithi siyaliphathisa kanti niyathuka mase ligwatshisa.
Zokhumbuza. Ithi ngoma asinandaba ne Pirates.
Omendala leyo.
And Pirates was number last.
Sasishana ngoBextra. Bafowethu ningayiphiki sasishana ngoBextra. Sizathi sinandaba noMajoro thina sihleli phezulu ingomendala.
Yeza kuwe manje yeah.
So with that being said, guys, the rules of FIFA still the same. Number 1, number 2 goes to CAF. There's nothing such as Sundowns if they come up with a star. First of all, who told you that Budget FC is going to win a star? The only star they're going to get is the star from ZCC or Lucky Star.
They're capable.
That's all they're going to get. I'm not saying they are not capable. I'm not saying they're not capable. But then to revert back to the game, the point is, you guys are still a rebuilding team. You're not there yet. There's still a lot of development that's required. From all the players, there's still a lot of commitment that you guys need. You guys are playing like you just met on a Sunday afternoon and you're going to play a game. You play like none of you, like you didn't practice, like you were not aware that you have a game. And then you want to come and beat a team like Pirates that is quick with their wingers, that is intentional with their play, that has the best defense in the league and the world argumentatively. Because why I say in the world? If you look at us, we considered less goals than the EPL, best number 1, then La Liga, best number 1, then Bundesliga, best number 1,
France,
then France, best number 1.
Scotland.
We've considered the least goals.
Scotland.
The list can go on and on. So now you're telling me our goalkeeper, the most clean sheets in the world. You understand? So I'm telling you, wow, Mangala, athletes are there. Numbers don't lie. I can lie. Anybody can lie, but numbers won't lie. You guys, you're telling us, you striker Mbutuma. Mbutuma, yes, he's a striker. Mbutuma Kakori, we are the only team with the highest goals in the league. So please break it down for me why you are saying
Kunzima
why
manje.
you are saying we and by the way Umphuthuma is playing a very crucial role
That
in
people don't
because
understand.
Umphuthuma is not a striker, he's a center forward. There's a significant difference between the two.
Yeah.
A center forward does not play like a striker. A center forward create opportunities for wingers to score. So, but we'll take you back in football 1-on-1, where we'll teach you definitions, understanding. And I wish Uguti, your Kaizer Chiefs players, they can go to the master class on Sunday and learn something from us. And the other thing is that as much as history will repeat itself, nina bophindile nizophinda niyostrike nibhale memorandum.
Phindile. Okay.
Yeah, abophindile bazophinda bastrike babhale memorandum. Unfortunately it's holiday on Monday, so it's freedom day, but you've got the freedom to express yourself, so you can write that memorandum and then you can take it to the offices on Tuesday.
All right. X, are you foreseeing any duels on Sunday between Pirates and Chiefs, maybe midfield, front or back? Any duels that you may be seeing might be a barometer of this game?
I mean, angiboni, because when we compare player for player in terms of quality, Pirates is
Like for like.
Pirates is far more superior. Even if you can do a combined 11, abadlali bePirates ungavela uthathe ilokhuzana iline up ePirates uyifake laphana yodwa. So uyabuka ukuthi sine player of the season contender, player of the season contender. That's the same player. Ozoba ilokhuzana top goal scorer as well.
But akakori kumathimba amakhulu.
Ubani mangathiwa compare number 10 PSL, who is better than Relem Fokeng?
Yeke leyo ngizoza kuyo leyo manje. Bathi
I've counted games. If Al Ahly is the biggest team in Africa,
yeah,
and he scored against them, I don't know what is that. Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make that argument. It doesn't make sense at all. If he scores against Al Ahly and Sundowns,
if Shebashita was out of prison, just say Shita.
Shita. So
that's what we say, Shita.
ayikho yonke lento lena basuke beyisho bese kuba ile ukuthi abaphindeki bona okwesibili bazophindwa okwe6 manje saka sabashaka u13 bengasishayanga.
Do you think Munyani can be able to stop our policy?
No.
Because he'll be coming from that side. Yes. Or Muremi.
Do you think okay, let me answer your question with another question, with a rhetorical question. Do you think Ilokhuzana management of Pirates would be dumb enough to release a player in an upgrade yayo? He was deemed surplus to Pirates' requirements because we had better right backs. So,
makes sense.
So ngeke azakhona ukustop policy.
So in other words, Pirates has got 3 very good right backs.
Yes.
In Van Rooyen, Libito, and Sibilibili, 10th right back now. So if you have to compare player by player, like for like, let's look at Kaizer Chiefs. They've got Solomon and Munyani.
Yeah.
Okay, I need comparison there. So like for like, who's better? On the 2 and the 3 I've counted for Pirates. I want to do this with every player.
All the Pirates right backs are better than like both Kaizer Chiefs right backs.
Combined.
Yeah, combined. If kuguthi sithi senze pecking order. Senze pecking order with number 1, number 2, number 3. uSolomon's number 5, uMonyane number 4 ngokwe quality.
We have 2 center backs in Siema and CBC. Yeah. If you have to compare CBC, Siema and Isocha, and who's the other one? Ulimel. Yeah, unless if he has recovered. So like for like, how do you rate the 2 Pirates center backs and your center backs?
My center backs, I would give Usiema number 2 Aiden. Aiden is very good. You even said it, Baba. You even said
I know
it.
it's good, yes.
Yes, Aiden is very good.
Now you said it, Aiden
is very good. Then coming to Spies, is the least to number 5 kubo bonke labantu. Spies, aibo. Spies,
okay, let's move on and save time. All right. Left back, you've got Cross.
Yes.
And
Marco.
Marco.
You've got Marco.
Okay, fine.
And then Ushinga Kulimele.
All right, fine. That's Marco and Cross.
Cross.
Let's come to Paris. Javas.
Yes, that's
Your left backs.
Left back yaga, it's Dion Hoto.
Pecking order in terms of
In terms of rating,
Marco, Hoto, Shing.
and then if you compare them,
Yeah, well,
if you
Hoto,
compare your left backs.
Hoto will top the list. Number 2, I can say Marco. But you know, the problem with Marco is that, and maybe many people don't realize, after the injury that he got, Marco was never the same. You should check Marco. Amapola mawaya phezulu is skeptical with a 7 second. So he's no longer that Marco that I used to trust. I think that element injury brought something to him. Agasalal the way Beng Peguta ngadlala ngakhona. But I'll rate him as number 2. And who else am I missing?
Ndaba and Cross.
Ndaba will take the 3rd position. Ndaba is very solid. You know when I look into Undaba, I'll somehow feel like Ndaba was developed by Pirates.
And
the boy is so smart.
He reminds me of Lalelani. He reminds me of Oscar Dlamini.
Exactly.
Makaule Kichim. You know Oscar. Yeah.
And it's going to be proven, Daspam, on Sunday as to why
he probably will come in second half or late second half.
Yeah,
just to consolidate.
Ngoba engqondweni yabo kunalento ukuthi umlungu yavala manje, but siyamfuna bazobona ukuthi imbobo.
All right. Okay, let's go to the middle. Right. What do you have in the middle?
Midfielder of the season, done.
Okay. Number 10.
Number 10.
Let's start with 10.
Oh, start with 10.
Yeah.
Yilo mfana omncane ozowina football of the season, the players play of the season. Pelile. There's no debate.
Who's your number 10? All right, let's compare the 2 number 10s. Let's compare the 2 number 10s. Can you compare the 2 number 10s? Chiefs and Pirates.
I don't even
do Shabalala and Rele.
No.
No, Multi no.
If you say do is better, I'm leaving. I'm walking out.
Talking football.
If you say do is better than Rele, I'm walking out. Like seriously.
Talking football. Urile Mfukeng is top quality. Mina I rate Urile Mfukeng bo Chapupu.
Thank you.
I give it to Urile.
So you have considered.
Umtu has got this thing. Umtu has got this thing in Bulala. He wants to score glamorously. That's why sometimes he misses a 1-on-1. Urile is just doing it simple. Basics. Pass and space. Urile, you can teaming abaswak, but you was which one? Same as
Pirates.
It's football. It's football. Urile is a good player.
Did I hear you?
Yes.
Mbata Mabue.
626. 626 Lebu Mabue. Yes, Mbata. He can close shops. Mbata can close you down. And he can shoot. Yeah, knock head up. No, I'm a long range. I'm a comrade. He can shoot. But you can now watch Lebu Mabue, man. That voice is precise.
Do you have time for this?
Mabue is the best, Bafi. Mabue is the best. Mabue can play. Mabue can play.
Okay, let's look at it this way. Mabue can play. What does Mbata offer you, imagine it?
Mbata offers you good defense, offers you great attack, long range shots, and Mbata has fixed this issue of his off-arm forward passes. So definitely the best match.
And then transition?
Also good in transition. Stability. So and Mbata, what I like about him, he can work with everybody. So it's not a matter of
what's
you can put him no Mtanjena, he will perform. You can put him no Makaula, he will perform.
Thank you. What's the best attribute Yaga Mabue? What is he best at?
Mabue can control the game. When the ball is with Mabue, it's likely to lose. He passes umuntu aqoke njengaye. He knows he's got side mirrors. He's got side mirrors. Mabue angalibamba bhekele but uyazi ukuthi uzolisaphi. He can break windows for Kaizer Chiefs. Most balls uyakwazi ukuphula ama win.
Break windows.
Yes, break windows. Look at the game. Angisazi besidlana iP team. Where umntu wamesa ama 1-on-1. Yeah, it was Stellenbosch. Yes, umntu you didn't finish but Mabue was doing a great job. Mabuwe has been doing. Kuma wins wethu baba. Mabuwe has been effective.
All right.
Yes.
I wanted
The man of the
bengifuna-
match has
bengifuna
been-
comparison.
Yes.
Well, one of them inikwe mina. So, Rato, now we're going to I'm a specialist. 6. Who's your best 6? I'll say. I see again. Who's your best 6? Rato. Ay, I'm crazy. Hey, uzala ngokwazi story sakho. Yaso sokusapressa la. Who's your best number 6? How rude.
Number 6. Oh,
Mthetho.
I'm thinking there.
Angese. Wamsiza. Wamsiza.
Ke tlatsa mali Ndlovu.
Umsizelani?
Instead of Mthetho tlatsa mali Ndlovu instead of Mthetho.
Uyamfaka mse uyashona.
Because Mthetho, if you want the explanation, I will tell you.
Kuyabutwa hayi njalo.
Ntwanami.
Mthetho
Kintwana ka ke.
Ox yani Mthetho, the problem about me Mthetho ne, he knows how to mark. Like wa khona umaka but
Why the problem with him is that uthi ba umaka?
Yeah.
How can that be a problem?
Thinta igazi manje.
No.
please.
Blood is thicker than water.
Thinta
How
amadu
can you
hayi.
say that? No, we can't say.
Chance.
No, hold on.
Problem,
You say, no, you say.
Chance.
I'm a
Chance. Chance.
Mama, sister.
Uthata ke gore wa gona umaka.
Ukutala ke re o re bothata ke re o kgona ho maka.
Asini.
How can that be bothata?
And ngba pictures ba bakhuluma ngithi.
All right.
Okay, fine.
Okay, kids. We have Mthetho ke Ox. Sharp. Mthetho, he's good on defending for me, but the problem ka ena ka nna wa khona defender I lose the ball like you can pass the opponents. That's the problem about me ka Mthetho. But when coming to defending, good umnat you can go back to the game of Sundowns.
Which
I'm
one
trying-
do you want from him? Do you want him to come in and defend, or you want him to do what? Would you play him or not?
I will for this that
Yeah.
I will play him.
Start.
Based on defending, yes. Start.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Based on defending. Yes.
Ngifuna baxabane bodwa
Based on
ngale. Ngifuna
defending.
baxabane bodwa ngale nto kaMthetho.
Angeke sicabanga based on
Pass the
defending.
mic to Melusi. Melusi do start Mthetho.
I can play him.
Uzoqala ngomthetho.
Mina
Bazoxabana bodwa book.
Uzoqala ngomthetho.
No. Ungipress.
Aye, no.
Uyaspressa.
No.
Ufuna ukulekelela.
Ngifuna baxabane bodwa xabanani.
No.
Right.
I've heard Ulirato.
Qala ngomthetho.
No, for
Aye.
me, bawamthetho mame.
Yakhipha lapho.
uqala ngomthethwa na usho njalo
Mina
umbuzo
would play Ndlovu. I've got my
Thank
reasons
you.
why.
Qedile.
I've got my reasons
That's what I
why.
wanted.
Ndlovu can do the both. Can mark, can play forward.
Yes.
Ndlovu can mark, can play forward. Umthethwa ngimfaka masengiqedile ngawe, sengikhiya shop. Ngifaka unyambosi. Sengiyakhiya.
So sibiza ngekhiya thina.
Nina nikhiya. Yeah. Yabo, masengivala ishop ke ngifaka umthetho.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Let's move on. Let's move on to ngaphambili. About 10 is right, 8 is right, and then let's go to striking force. Wingers. Your wingers, Jabu. Left and right.
Pirates or
Pirates. Kisako bona ka Chiefs.
yeah, well, Murem is still fine, still doing well. Apolis is still well. In fact, the poison is just going to start from the middle. From Namdangela there.
Poison it like on Chesboard.
They are going to see trouble.
Okay.
Namdangela is going to deal with them, but Muremi and Apolis are just going to finish the project.
It's horrible mo.
Yeah.
Wings.
I've got Lilepo.
Okay.
What I like about Lilepo, it doesn't run a lot. It's not a pupuru.
And
Lilepo, yazi Lilepo ngikhumbuza
who's
abantu.
that pacha?
I know bomremi.
Dala wagcina ubuka Pirates.
No, niyagijima baba Mthetho, it's your football. It's your football. Niyagijima, nidlala kanjalo, nina nidlala kanjalo. Every game iPirates ngeke uyithole nje. Hayi bakhamba, labantu laba mfethe. Hey, ngathi ushipo
That's why it's shy fast.
Ushipo. That's how you play.
Shy fast.
The only teams in the PSL that don't change their identity of playing, it's Golden Arrows and Orlando Pirates. They don't change their identity of playing.
Yeah.
You can sleep, wake up, imaginate, and having an SKL tomorrow. Pirates will play the very same way each and every game.
Yes.
So, you know, Lilepo ngikhumbuza abantu baba. Umabheka phansi.
Njengesamba.
Yeah, umabheka phansi would sometimes give you 50% egaming, but Ace Ntsoleng. He would score a decisive goal, same as Ulilep, and a beauty one, same as Ulilep. Lilepo can anganyamalala.
Wait, did you see Ace playing?
I've seen videos of Ace.
Okay.
Yes, I've seen the videos of Ace. Full 90 minutes.
No, I just wanted to confirm.
Anyamalele.
Ace now.
Yes. Anyamalele. Then Ulilepo will come and score a beauty. All his goals outside the box.
All right, asidlulele komunye ngibheka isikhathi sesinaso. All right, Lilepo and then partner.
Partner ngapha. What we can do.
Angithi ama wing left and right.
Mina Grootmane
Tell Lilepo right or left?
ngapha kalokhu ngani ka right.
All right, and then ngale.
Ngale yazi baba Mthethwa, there's one thing I want to explain to Kaizer Chiefs fans. Bayamdelela uPule Modi. uPule Modi baba Mthethwa is a hardworking player. Inkinga
Umbuzo wami ke uthi between Modi and Duba we are going to play.
uDuba ngimisa phambili angithi ngishanga 4 bese ngithi 4 bese yeah then uDuba landele emva kwalokhu ngani kwa who's this guy Silver.
So uShabalala uzoba iwinger.
Yeah naye ngamdlalisa.
No, but then angithi uShabalala uzodlala 10 njengoba.
Yeah okay yeah
Useka iwinger manje.
no uDuba uzopartnera uda
Lamone 442 ana special.
Wait, I'm confused.
442 ana specialist 10.
442 izodlala kanjani? Uzodlala uNdlovu noMabu Weswini without a number 10.
Okay.
And then the two wingers would be I'll explain khona ngizwa manje I'm lost.
Okay, angithi ngitheka right ngifaka uLilepo. Ka left ngiphutha uPule Modi. Then la ngisebenza ngoNdlovu. UNdlovu can do both. UNdlovu can attack, UNdlovu can mark. Then uMabuwe will take those balls and play them. He will make the team play. Yes, he is this guy who will make the team play. Yes. So hence ngisho ke ukuthi laba bayithu laba
Who are the two strikers up front?
uDuba no Silver.
So uShabalala ebenchini.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ngidlala 442.
Okay.
Udliwa yeah.
Angidliwanga.
All right, asiqhubekeke and then we have Paris ngaphambili. Uwe bengathi yeah.
Yonela Mbuthuma. Yonela Mbuthuma, I'll explain why I'd start Mbuthuma. For consistency purposes, he's been playing very well for the club. And ever since club football returned after AFCON, Pirates has been the highest scoring team. We scored 3 against Chiefs. Mbuthuma was there. We've given another team 5. We've given other teams like heavy score lines. Mbuthuma has always been there. And he plays a critical role of pulling our defenders away from the pockets, which gives Ilokuza no number 10 way to Benama wingers space, room to operate in. So I think it's done very well. We've been scoring those goals with Mbuthuma in the team, so he has to start.
All right. Okay, wena.
There's no. It's like you are saying
Pendula umbuzo ukora ngobani?
Silver.
Yeah, ungazenza uGareth. But you know what? When I was born,
Silver.
You know when I was born. I was born.
We've been telling you this.
You know? Yeah, and when I was born, they decided to call me Daniel.
Yeah.
See, and then later they called me Joseph.
Yeah.
But then they sat down and had a meeting.
Yeah.
And they decided, no, my name should be Gareth. So, Gitari.
No, but we've been saying in Navaga Silva. We've been saying since the start of the show for us.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, Melvis. All right.
Zami penalty la pana halea double.
Okay. All right. All right. The fight continues out of here. But one thing I'm going to tell you is that let the best team win on Saturday, and on Sunday we know which team is the best for you. You know your best team. What I can say to you is it's gonna be a humdinger, pulsating football, and are we having a watch party? And here at Omni we'll be having a watch party on Sunday during that game, and I will be there in that watch party.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm not a FNB, yeah. No, I'm not working. No, I'm off. I'm off. I don't know who's working. So we're going there. We're going there now. And then thank you very much for you who had watched. But before we close, and I want to thank my guests Melusi, Altiam, thank you.
Mane,
Yakubongeza.
thank you very much.
Rato. Sure. I still have to get Nkuli to come and say something to Pirates fans just now. He's coming. Benedict. Thank you, Ngoyi. Sabo.
Orlando Pirates 4, Kaiser Chiefs 1. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Shai?
Repeat.
Nazo.
Siyabonga.
Press button.
Press button.
Javas.
Pirates 3, Kaiser Chiefs 0.
Allah, repeat. Okay.
Kaiser Chiefs
And
2,
then, Una?
Pirates 1.
There? 2-1.
Kaizer Chiefs 2. Kwagoko 1.
All right. There you have your predictions. Everybody from respective teams believe that the team will win this derby. Kaizer Chiefs, I think, has won 75 of the derbies, and Pirates, I know, they've won 50 for now. Can they make it 51, and can Chiefs make it over 75 now? It's up to the boys who are playing on Sunday, and you and me, as football supporters, let's go and support our teams. Remember, celebrate responsibly. That's the first thing. Second thing, on these lives, we're doing what we love most, which is talking about football, because we love football. Stop insulting us. We're not in this thing to make you feel bad or anything. It's just that everyone has their opinion. I always say when I start my lives, if you have an encyclopedia of insults, take it out and put it there. Be ready with it, because that's what people believe they're talking football. It's insulting. All right. So unfortunately, we cannot allow you. We're going to put up something on our systems whereby if you see an insult, it blocks you automatically, like TikTok does. So we're going to fight with that. My executive producer, Aaron, we need to work on that. Don't want insults. All right, thank you so much. So, to the team that was running the show for us today, Tamdu, thank you very much. Aaron, the EP of us, thank you. And Kuli was the PA. Yeah. Personal assistant. Nguli, come join us. Rato, when I have show if yeah, thank you, Rato. Appreciate you, sister. Hand to Val. Check it out. Zaval. Yeah, oh, the homeboy out game will have Valega fair. What's up, Clara? What was on the Paris Ganga?
angizwe Pirates angandaba naye whether bayaphila bawina ileague or abayiwina angandaba neOrlando Pirates hayi ukuthi angizondi so ayikho into engihlanganisa neOrlando Pirates yabo so inkinga yami la abantu beOrlando Pirates
wenzani
man ba aggressive ingakaqali nokuqala isizini but ba aggressive bona yabo so yi problem yami neOrlando Pirates nje kuphela but ngiyazi abantu beOrlando Pirates bayafuna bayangibheka baya react noma bangibona anginandaba nePirates anginandaba nalama team lawa wangenzeli lutho but ke nami nginombono wami ngama teams kuphela I don't think iOrlando Pirates izoyiwina ileague lapho ngimile yabo
okay team le ishow yami le ham uzuyabheda ke manje kwawe ngona bathi ubuza kahle usiphethe kahle now you
ufana nefasale
when you are drifting away qhubeka ke uyekele ama league newina nani Paris win league angithi asivumelana
ihleli kunamba isoyiwina kanjani baba kusela ama game angaka phela nge angibhuli
what are you saying Paris going to win the league or not
I'm saying it's exciting we're going to see we're still going to play a lot of games
politician
but okay
who's going to win the league
it's Sundowns these guys have won the league 8 times in a row 8 times iOrlando Pirates yazama isiniki competition exciting
okay let me remind of something in Germany Bayern Munich won the league for probably 9 or 10 times in a row if I remember and then Bayer Leverkusen came in and did what was called the invincible. They never lost a match in that season.
They were not the best.
So angiyakufundisa manje. Ungathi angifundisanga next. Yeah. So you didn't know this, now you know. So you can't tell me they'll win the league 8 times and no one can win it. Hayibo. Kumhlolwa kayo. Let's go back. Kaizer Chiefs in the 70s. At some point they were beating everything that is on their path. Yeah? Everything. But things changed along the way. Pirates was beating everyone from the 50s, coming this way until 1970 when Chiefs joined the league. Chiefs only started winning the league in 74. And Pirates won it In 71 and 73, they won all the trophies. In 84, Chiefs won all the trophies. 92, Chiefs won the league as well. Okay? So, kuningi. So, just to agree with you about just one thing. Football only ends masekuphela season.
Abanye bayawinning akaqali. So
buza kahle usuyimoshe ngokufaka lento zakho lezi. Umphendule.
So kukhona bayiwine ku game week 2 ileague ngesikhathi Pirates loser 2 consecutive games.
Angibazi mina labo.
Chiefs.
Yini.
Okay.
Chiefs.
I mean I've never said the Chiefs is a winning league. Angazi ngicaba. Bengazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs I mean
Yazi advice engayithola kumngani wami naye wathola kumkhulu wakhe.
Khuluma.
Advice that a friend of mine got from his grandfather, and it really works for me these days because I decided to take it on board. What you mustn't argue with a Chiefs fan, you must just wait. When they were singing those songs, I decided to wait. When we were going to the derby, Chiefs go 3-0, blah blah blah. I didn't argue. I just waited. Even now, I think I should stop arguing. But I just need to wait.
Yeah, but the Pirates, an old team. There's an African proverb that I've learned. A community without elderly people, it's like a well without water. So, the well must have water to nourish the vegetables, the fruits, and.
As ngizwile conversation and khona izinto.
No. When I'm ngikubizela into reason one.
Listen to the host.
Yeah. So wena. So uyazi manje ukuthi ngeke udele Pirates. We are elderly people. Umntwana wena. Kasuthi balonghalibisi. Ne. So I'll not have look at Zakhali. So mina ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume le ndaba le yokugcina engibizele yona. Why ungafuni iPirates? Why? Phendula. Awuphumi la ungaphendula umbuzo.
Marabatshela uFaith Pirates.
Angilifavor ibhola. Why? Wo uyabona nje bangihleli nama Pirates ngithi ngifavor iPirates, mangihleli nama Chiefs ngifavor iChiefs. Angilifavor ibhola anginandaba nebhola mina. Ziningi izinto ezipersonal engingazazi ukuthi
answer the question. Why do you hate Pirates?
Thank you for joining us. There's Zovala hlala lapha.
Uthi nama comrade ne aggressive. The Pirates are my comrade.
Mina ngili comrade vele. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was our show. I want to thank Javas, Majineta, Benedict, lo ongene ngefaster, Unkuli, and then
Rodmani,
Melus. Thank you very much. Khatila Kalrato, thank you, sister. Go hijack but Nikita wrong, Niki shorter. Yolga Chiefs. Anyway, Rajab, what do you have to say to us?
Nothing much, Daspam, except to say let's arrive on time. Go stadium, Sunday. The other challenge that I've noticed, kitaba system ya ticket. My tickets are open.
Please
open
talk that on camera.
Yeah, tabaya ticket, it's a serious problem. And I'm appealing to the management of the stadium to actually address that issue. Because you see, over the weekend, the Pirates was playing with the Amazulu. There were a lot of people that were returned in that game.
I heard.
And the issue was mainly because of the tickets. So I'm saying to our people as well, particularly abahamba ngama branches, because the problem abafithu abahamba ngama branches bayamelana la emagarage until isikhathi sisishaya. So I'm saying to them, arrive on time, niyazi ukuthi sinama crisis wama ticket. But over and above that, I'm saying to management ema stadiums, they promised last ukuthi they will have routers outside so that if people don't have data, can quickly access their
free access, free,
so
free Wi-Fi.
Because you see that thing, Taspam, is going to lead to a stampede one day. And all of us, yes, so regret Leonto. Nobody's willing to talk about that thing. I mean, I've seen a lot of people who came here Pirates, Babu Isolong apparently. And you can imagine the magnitude of a Amazulu game and Pirates, not that big. But now we're going to
a massive one.
And people are getting impatient. Mabanga khona ukungena ngase stadium. Lama gate azophuka and people are taking their keys to the stadium. So to avoid the Ellis Park incident, let's address the issue of tickets.
An
Ogni incident as well. Let's address that issue because to me, it's disturbing.
Shouldn't be happening.
Yes.
Thanks
you
so much,
Taspa.
Javas.
Thank you.
Majineta? Equal.
Yeah. Arfisheng stadium early and also avoiding this
Unal ticket.
Yeah,
Okay.
ke na le ticket go gopela le avoiding dintho tsela tsa bo DM for price ba tlo le scammer di ticket la di tseba di rekiswa kae di ticket they are sold out DM for price hey this guy will send you this guy ba tlo scammer please be careful of that and also re fitlen ka nako let's enjoy the game we all know what the result is going to be we know the outcome phindile sizoniphinda futhi ayikho enye into thank you guys and thank you for the time
Sure. Imakal, uzosivalela. Melusi?
Grootman, the message I have to Kaizer Chiefs fans, go out there, be golden black, be square,
Alala.
as always. To the players, guys, you know who we are playing. You know the magnitude of the game. We are not going there, ngengqondo revenge. We are going there to add. We are not winning. We're adding to the 75 wins that we have. Give us the 76 derbies wins. That's all what we need. And for us, this game, this is the only game that torn South Africa apart, even the continent as a whole. This game is bigger. There is no team that is bigger rather than Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Even if you can say we are playing Ivig Lonke, the stadiums would be packed. So to the fans, arrive early, be safe, don't drink and drive.
Thank you.
The results this time, I promise Amakosi, we are going to make Maginator have a cheese cup. The barber shops are there at Naturena. We are going to carry.
Thank you. Valaba. Khuluma right.
Siyabonga bafethu ngokubukela ishow kababamthethwa ilegend la ku South African football, the biggest voice sonke sikhule ngaye. Ngicabanga ukuthi sonke is privileged ukumazi ubaba. Ngiyambona supporter ibhola la South Africa. Danko bafethu.
Yeah, khuluma nje umuntu omdala. Very good. Ivale Ngwenya.
No, ngijabulile ukuba la Omni Audio namhlanje and yeah, thank you so much guys for inviting me. I don't have a message for the players. Ngaphandle nje siyabathanda. Thina kwi Pirates we don't need to motivate our players.
They're always motivated
because motivation is
always
intrinsic.
motivated.
It comes from within. Yabo, you wouldn't play for Pirates if you are not self-motivated. So even no coach uyazi balandeli be Pirates bayaya bakwazi ukubehave nokuyiphatha kahle. All I can say ukuthi mase celebrate victory yethu, enjoy responsibly. Kaizer Chiefs fans, please don't bend the stadium. Ngacishe ngafa emabhida ngelilanga ngenibuka.
I was there.
Yes, you were
was
there.
there.
I remember I was working for East Coast Radio
Yeah, I
at
was
the
there.
time. Besiku media center. Tina as Orlando Pirates as Kaizer Chiefs fans sicela ningacishi ningibulale futhi ningazama ukungibulala futhi ningashisa stadium and please don't leave game too early, don't desert bafethu hlala na team yenu besegcineni thina sobe sicula sithi kancane kancane sophumelela.
Bayazi.
Amen.
All right, that's the end of our show for today. We'll meet again on the 5th of May when Kaizer Chiefs take on Mamelodi Sundowns. We'll have another live, get another panel to join us for that one on the 5th of May, because the game is played on the 6th of May at Loftus between Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. We'll have another live there, and then we'll have another live a day just before the last day of the Betway Premiership. Depending on what's happening in the league, we'll have Pirates and Sundowns fans here again, and let's talk about it. We don't want people to talk about the 6, Lady 7, Lady 88, Lady 10, Lady false 9, Lady borders, Lady channel, Lady pockets. We don't, not here. That's not my show. This is, we're telling football stories. I was taught by some brilliant man called Cebo Manyapilo. He said to me, one day I'll leave this world, and when I leave this world, I want you to continue to tell African stories the way Africans want to hear, see, and hear the African football stories being told. So, allow us to tell the stories in whatever language that we prefer, in any which way that we feel deem that it suits us. It's our opinions. All of us in football are opinionated. We do not discard anyone. That's why here today, I have no names. I've got human beings and football fans, people who make football tick. From all of us here at Omni, thank you very much for watching. Meet you again sometime next week on Monday. I don't know who will be top of the log, but I think I know. I know. Richards Bay. is waiting. FNP, long khasbodu. Let's leave it at that. Goodbye. Have a good afternoon and a good weekend because we're not here tomorrow. So, kilikupelam how? Linaki kupelam how. Tatemudi mampele luna. Bye bye.